I'm exhausted. Tea. That was effort. I need to boil water. What if I put golden syrup in my tea? Can I balance a spoon on my nose? Ah, that's hot. I'm filming a great video. I feel really sad and hurt. Are you? Oh my god, why is it so white? Oh, it's like grey. This is weird. Regular tea. Olive. Okay, golden syrup tea. That needs more. Hey, it looks more brown now. No, this tea is already disgusting. What else can I add to this? Soy sauce? Why am I doing this to myself? Why does that improve it? Stop it! No! Vietnamese dipping sauce!
That's disgusting.
You want to try some?
No,
It just tastes like sweet tea. It doesn't taste like golden syrup. Actually, that's not too bad. Yes, it is. More stuff. Lemon juice. Zesty. I'm gonna end the video here because that was disgusting and I'm probably gonna need to throw up. Just kidding, you should all try it. It tastes amazing. Anyway, thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye.